Well, is Parliament set for yet another flashpoint? This time over Vande Mataram? BJP MP Sambit Patra has just reignited a decades-old debate, invoking Pandit Nehru and accusing India's first Prime Minister of having a false sense of secularism. Sambit Patra, citing Sachiv Bhattacharya's book, has now claimed that Mr. Nehru viewed Vande Mataram as potentially irritating to Muslims, a position Sambit Patra says diluted national pride in the name of misplaced appeasement. Listen in to the latest reaction coming in from the BJP.
वंदे मातरम के इतिहास को जानना और वंदे मातरम के माध्यम से देश के नींव के साथ जुड़ने का पुनः जेन जी हो चाहे हम सब पुनः ये कोशिश करें टू रीलिव द टाइम इन हिस्ट्री जिस समय हमारे पूर्वजों ने इस देश के लिए वंदे मातरम कहते हुए अपने खून को बहाया था। उसको भी लेकर मैं तो जानता हूं कि इस पे क्रिटिसिज्म जरूर करेंगी सोनिया जी, मगर सच्चाई होती है। उसको भी लेकर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू की लेगेसी सामने आएगी। द रॉन्ग लेगेसी ऑफ पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू as far as Vande Mataram is concerned.
Tejshri has been tracking the latest comments coming in. She joins us live at the moment. Tejshri, tell us, is the BJP warning that the legacy of Pandit Nehru could face fresh scrutiny in Parliament?
Well, absolutely. You see, today now there's going to be massive political fireworks as far as today's session is concerned, because the discussion is going to take place in the Parliament on Vande Mataram, and there goes the BJP hitting out at Congress party, particularly Jawaharlal Nehru, saying that Vande Mataram was admitted because Nehru stated that, he wanted to, that was the appeasement politics that Nehru wanted to play. Not just that, but in fact, Sambit Patra also goes on to allege that it was Nehru who in fact stated that let us remove the other four stanzas from Vande Mataram because they will irritate the Muslim community, and that's why all these stanzas were officially not included. While we recite Vande Mataram, only first two stanzas were adopted officially, and now we'll have to see, that how Congress party reacts to it, because certainly these political war of words are not going to stop. They are definitely going to escalate for the kind of statements that the BJP is making. Congress will also be countering it. Remember that today the session will begin with the address of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he will also be speaking on the completion of 150 years of Vande Mataram. But all eyes on the Prime Minister's speech and how Congress party counters the allegations levelled up by the BJP. Back to you.
Tejshri, thanks so much as always.